Hi, Chris here. Welcome to another quick video about IKEA smart home gear. In the previous episode I talked about the Valhorn motion sensor. If you missed it, make sure to check that out later. Today we are taking a look at another useful device, the IKEA smart plug, specifically the TRÅDFRI. What I got here is the Shuka version, but don't worry, IKEA makes versions tailored to different countries, so you will find one that fits your local outlet type, whether you are in the US, UK, Sweden, Germany or beyond. There's also a slightly more advanced version called Inspelning, and the only difference between the two is that Inspelning has a power usage monitoring, while TRÅDFRI is purely an on-off switch. The box wasn't the easiest to open, but inside you get the smart plug and some basic documentation. As you would expect, this one doesn't run on batteries for obvious reasons. The build quality is solid, just like other IKEA home smart products. There's a single button on the front for manual switching. Compared to the older TRÅDFRI smart plug, TRÅDFRI is significantly smaller. Still not on the tiniest on the market, but compact enough to feel sleek and modern. TRÅDFRI can be used for basic remote switching, and it also works from outside your home if you configure through the DIRIGERA hub. But for me the biggest advantage is automation. I personally use it with my Christmas lights. It's automated to follow the sunset time, so the lights turn on just the right moment, automatically every day, no timers, no hassle. TRÅDFRI uses the Zigbee protocol, so it integrated seamlessly into ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Google Home or Amazon Alexa, depending on your setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment or subscribe for more independent reviews and DIY videos. See you next week.